Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
The US Constitution and the Texas Constitution of 1876 are the embodiments of different times and experiences of their framers. The best descriptions summarizing the two constitutional experiences are A. The Texas Constitution of 1876 was a response to a strong central government that emphasized decentralized government, while the federal constitution was a document that centralized power in response to the failings of the Articles of Confederation. B. The frontier notion of equality resulted in two constitutions that dispersed power and favored centralized government. C. Texans and US citizens both favored strong central government as a means of protecting themselves from marauding Native Americans and promoting the development of infrastructure. D. The US Constitution sought to respond to the problems of the initial American Confederation by respecting the prerogatives of the states, while the Texas Constitution sought to reconstruct a strong state government. The answer of the question is: the best description summarizing the two constitutional experience is A. The Texas Constitution of 1876 was a response to a strong central government that emphasized centralized government, while the federal constitution was a document that centralized power in response to the failings of the Articles of Confederation. So that's correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.